Okay, so right now I'm on a floor, and I got the heat gun right here, and I'm gonna get this CPU off here. Gotta heat it up on all sides, and then it should come off, I think, or it did. It did before. Gotta heat up the top, the sides, everything. Keep the heat gun moving at all times. Don't let it just sit there. Every few moments, turn it off and twist it. See? Perfect. See, it's kind of warm. I'm gonna go use some rubbing alcohol to get that off. We'll see what it says. Okay, so here's the heatsink. I cleaned that all off. It's nice and shiny. Not sure if it is copper or not. I don't know. Don't really matter too much. I'm not using this one. But the processor I am using. Here it is. Pins are intact. No bent ones. Let's see right there. It's a Pentium 2.80. So it has a megabyte of cache, and can't remember what this is. I used to know what architecture this was, but whatever. So here it is. This is what I'm using in the XP machine, because it's the best one that I have right now, so that's why I'm using it. So, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the XP rig build.